stopped play just a couple games away for Jannik Sinner.
Yeah, boy, and that might have done him a world of good. Jannik Sinner looked like he was hurting physically out there. Medvedev is the wrong guy to play when you're not feeling your best because he can just extract pain, Trace.
He'll rope-a-dope you. And Sinner looked so amazing in that opening set. He was in total control, great depth on his shots, really dictating. And something happened to him physically midway through that second set. His shots started landing mid-court. Medvedev was getting in the points, and then Jannik was in trouble.
In trouble indeed, but not anymore. He's got the whole night to rest, relax, get ready for what will be an exciting finish come tomorrow. Let's get back inside the booth. A couple of dry fellows, Mark Petchey, Chris Eubanks, waiting it out for us. Appreciate that, folks. Listen, what was your takeaway from what you saw so far in that second semifinal?
Yeah, well, first set was vintage and classic Jannik Sinner. What we kind of thought we might see in this matchup against Medvedev on the clay pitch. I mean, the conditions just don't help Medvedev at all, and Sinner was being able to move him around the court with just big forehands, big backhands, running side to side. Second set, things slowly started to change. Medvedev got up an early break, started to play more aggressive, and then we started to see him utilize the drop shot a lot, and then you started to see Jannik's rhythm get really disrupted.
Yeah, I mean, you kind of know that Daniel's going to find a way to play 4D chess. He's going to kind of leave it all out there in these big moments. I think sometimes when you see him being a little too impetuous on the court and you have those kind of those are kind of in early rounds. They're not necessarily in these kind of big moments where he's getting tested. I thought he did a great job. Yes, you know, there is the situation with Jannik. Is it fatigue? Is it sickness? We're not entirely sure. Obviously, we're here on the ground, but still not entirely sure what it was with Jannik that he was struggling with. But it was, yeah, as you can go here. This is, Chris, we weren't sure, were we, when we saw this? He's doubled up over there. Was he? I wasn't sure that he was actually sick at that stage.
Yeah, we had no idea, honestly. On the changeovers, it felt like maybe he was dealing with some type of illness. He was having trouble catching his breath. We even saw him grimace a little bit at one of the change of ends. But then, like classic Jannik, he gets onto the court, he's running side to side. I mean, we saw him for the first time I've ever seen kind of sacrifice a point, play a drop shot, and just kind of realized the point was going on a little bit too long. He needed to conserve his energy. He was able to kind of balance it in the third, got up the break, and then started to have a little bit of push-pull, started to really force the aggression on some points, started to kind of let some go and manage the body. So something that we've seen from Sinner in different conditions, typically not cool in night conditions. He struggled in the past in heat and humidity. So it's going to be interesting to see how he's able to respond after full nights of rest, and he comes back at such a pivotal moment in the match.